PayPal conducts its business in the United States through various operations and services. Here's an overview of how PayPal does business in the USA. Online payments. PayPal allows individuals and businesses to make and receive online payments securely. Users can create PayPal accounts, link them to their bank accounts, credit cards, or debit cards, and use these accounts for online transactions. This service is widely used for online shopping, making donations, and transferring money between individuals. Mobile payments. PayPal offers a mobile app that allows users to make payments and manage their accounts on smartphones and tablets. This app enables convenient and secure transactions, both online and in physical stores. Payment processing for businesses. PayPal provides payment processing solutions for businesses of all sizes. Businesses can integrate PayPal's payment gateway into their websites or point-of-sale systems to accept payments from customers. This service is commonly used by e-commerce websites and brick-and-mortar stores. PayPal Credit. PayPal offers a credit option called PayPal Credit, formerly known as Bill Me Later, to eligible users. This allows customers to make purchases and pay for them over time with promotional financing offers. It essentially acts as a line of credit for online shopping. Money transfers. PayPal enables users to send money to friends, family members, or businesses within the United States and internationally. Users can choose to send money directly from their PayPal accounts or link their PayPal accounts to their bank accounts for added flexibility. Seller tools. PayPal provides various tools and services to help businesses manage their finances. These include invoicing, reporting, inventory management, and tools to help sellers streamline their operations. Security and buyer-seller protection. PayPal places a strong emphasis on security and fraud protection. They offer features like buyer and seller protection to ensure safe and secure transactions for both buyers and sellers. Partnerships and acquisitions. PayPal has formed partnerships and acquired other financial technology companies to expand its range of services. For example, they acquired Venmo, a popular peer-to-peer payment app, and have integrated it into their offerings. Financial services. PayPal has expanded its services to include various financial products such as debit cards, prepaid cards, and savings accounts. These products aim to provide users with more comprehensive financial solutions. It's important to note that the specific services and features offered by PayPal may have evolved or expanded since my last knowledge update in January 2022. PayPal is a dynamic company that continuously adapts to changing market demands and technology trends. To get the most up-to-date information on PayPal services and operations in the United States, you can visit their official website or contact their customer support. Additionally, regulatory and legal requirements related to financial services may change, so it's essential to stay informed about any relevant updates.